Skips up once there. That went early, didn't it? Trail braking then into the first corner, and Alex Marquez then goes down. So there'll be a bit of a repair job there for the BK Grazzini race mechanics. There'll be a couple of barrel rolls through the gravel trap here as well for Alex. You can see the airbag has been...
It's Alex Marquez who's gone down.
Yeah, second crash of Practice Friday here in Jeréz. Alex has been really shaken by this one. He has really been shaken. He drops to his knees. Too much, pushing too hard. Quattararo, the front disappeared from the... As Marc Marquez was almost another victim of that turn 6. That was a close call for the 93.
Look at the rear.
Yeah.